Hello, today we are gonna make a spray perfume. For that, we need glycerine, small measuring beakers, tea flavor of your choice. We are gonna take cinnamon flavored tea today, spray bottle, a, a cosmetic coloring, and a fragrance of your choice. So today we are gonna take strawberry flavor, a filter paper, a funnel, a big beaker, a dropper, wooden skewers, and wooden spatula. Now let's get started. First, don't forget to wear the gloves. Take 1 teaspoon of tea in the big measuring beaker. This beaker is 100 ml. And we're gonna take cinnamon tea today. 1 teaspoon. And put 1 teaspoon. Second step, using the small measuring beaker, add 20 ml of water to the big measuring beaker with the tea. So we have a small measuring beaker. We are gonna add 20 ml of water to it. So the water is filled in it. And then we'll pour this water in this. Okay, now let's do it. Using the wooden spatula, stir the tea and water well and let it sit for 20 minutes. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Place the filter paper in the funnel. Now pour water and tea mixture through the funnel. Use the wooden squeezers to help the water pass through the filter paper. This process may take some time. Take a spray bottle and open it. Next, using the dropper, add 10 ml of liquid glycerine to the spray bottle. Use a separate dropper and add 2 ml of tea solution to the spray bottle. Use a third dropper to add 1 more drop of your favorite cosmetic coloring. Add 1 ml or 5 drops of your favorite fragrance to the solution. 3, 4, 5. Close the lid of the spray bottle. Shake all the contents together so they mix well. Now, let the solution sit for 15 minutes in a dry area. After 15 minutes, now our perfume is ready!